Lily loved visiting Mrs. Green's garden. One sunny morning, as she walked to school, she noticed something different. A new, bright flower was blooming in Mrs. Green's garden. Lily stopped to look at the flower. It was large and blue, and it had a sweet smell. She wondered, how does Mrs. Green always have the best flowers? After school, Lily couldn't stop thinking about the garden. Her mom was busy at work, so Lily decided to visit Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green smiled when she saw Lily at the gate. "Hello, dear," said Mrs. Green. "Would you like to help me in the garden today?" Lily's eyes lit up. "Yes, please," she said excitedly. Mrs. Green showed Lily how to plant seeds and water the flowers. As they worked, Mrs. Green shared her secret. "Plants are like friends," she said. "If you talk to them, they grow strong and happy." Lily was surprised. "Talk to them?" she asked. Mrs. Green nodded. "Yes, just like this," she said softly to a pink rose. "Hello, beautiful, you are growing so well." Lily laughed and tried it too. She spoke to a small sunflower. "Hi there, little one. You are so bright." As the days passed, Lily visited the garden often. She learned more about flowers, and she always talked to the plants. One day, she noticed something amazing. A tiny hidden path appeared near the new blue flower. It was covered with soft moss. It seemed magical. "Where does it go?" Lily wondered. Mrs. Green chuckled. "That's a secret path, dear. It leads to a very special place." Lily asked, "Can we see it?" Mrs. Green nodded and led Lily down the path. At the end, they found a small pond. There were frogs jumping and fish swimming. "Wow," Lily exclaimed. "This is beautiful." Mrs. Green smiled warmly. "Nature has many secrets," she whispered. From that day on, Lily always visited the secret pond. She thanked the flowers, the trees, and even the little frogs. She felt happy and peaceful. One evening, as the sun set, Lily thanked Mrs. Green. "Thank you for showing me your garden and the secret path," she said. Mrs. Green patted her shoulder gently. "Remember, Lily, nature is full of wonders. Always look closely, and you will find magic." Lily smiled and nodded. She knew she had discovered something very special in Mrs. Green's garden. And so every time Lily passed by the garden, she stopped to say hello to her plant friends. Her heart was filled with joy and the simple magic of life.